Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna share my simple but very delicious green beans recipe. And if you don't have a grill, this is a great way to make your green beans look grilled. And I'm using a cast iron pan. Start by putting the cast iron pan on the burner and then setting the burner on high. And you have to preheat the cast iron pan very well. So make sure that you let it sit there for at least 3 or 4, I would say probably even 5 minutes to get it really nice and hot. After 5 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of butter to your cast iron pan, let it melt completely, and then add 2 handsful of washed green beans. And start sautéing the green beans by constantly stirring them until all sides have nice charcoal color. It takes about 1 minute. After about a minute, turn the burner down to medium, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 clove of unpeeled garlic. Then add salt and black pepper to taste and continue to cook the green beans by constantly stirring them on medium heat for another 3 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of dried dill, mix it well with the beans and turn the heat off. And that's it! 5 minutes and you have a simple and delicious green beans side dish that you can serve with your steak or chicken or fish or whatever rocks your boat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.